Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. You have a PDF with important tables, maybe a financial report, an invoice, or a data sheet, and you need those numbers in Excel. But when you try to copy and paste directly into Excel, everything turns into a formatting nightmare. The columns don't align, numbers get misplaced, and you spend more time fixing it than actually using the data. In this video, I'll show you two solid ways to convert a PDF to Excel with the tables intact, whether you're on Mac or Windows. We'll start with Microsoft Excel's built-in method, and then I'll show you the best method using Tenorshare PDNob, especially if you care about table accuracy and formatting. First, let's try the method many people already have, Microsoft Excel. In recent versions of Excel, specifically Excel 2021 or later, you can actually open a PDF and import the tables directly. Here's how. Open Microsoft Excel, go to the Data tab, click Get Data, choose from File, browse to your PDF file and select it. Excel will analyze the PDF and detect any tables automatically. If that method does not work, first open the PDF in Microsoft Word. And when it's loaded, you can then copy the table directly into Excel, as you can see. Go ahead and format the table the way you like. The pros of this method are clear. It's built right into Excel, it's free if you already have Microsoft Office, and it works well for simple PDFs. However, the cons are significant for anything beyond basic files. The table structure often breaks when there's complex layouts. It's not reliable for scanned PDFs because it lacks built-in OCR. Merged cells, borders, and alignment usually need manual fixing, and you have limited control over the conversion accuracy. For a much more reliable conversion that preserves your tables perfectly, especially with complex or scanned PDFs, you need a dedicated tool. This is where Tenorshare PDNob excels on both Mac and Windows. The process is straightforward. Launch PDNob and click Open PDF to load your file. You will see plenty of PDF tools. Go to the Convert tab and select Convert to Excel. If your PDF is scanned, make sure to enable the OCR option first. This is what lets it read text from images. Then, click Convert. PDNob will process the file and generate an Excel spreadsheet where the tables maintain their original rows, columns, borders, and spacing with impressive accuracy. The advantages of PDNob are real. It converts without losing table formatting, accurately preserves complex layouts, includes built-in OCR for scanned PDFs, and supports multiple output formats like Word, PowerPoint, images, and EPUB. It works on both Mac and Windows, offers fast batch conversion, and processes everything offline for security. The trade-off is that it requires installation, and while it has robust free functionality, the full feature set requires a license. So, which should you choose? Here's a quick comparison. Microsoft Excel can handle simple text-based PDFs in a pinch. But if your PDF contains complex tables, scanned content, or you need precise formatting, Tenorshare PDNob clearly delivers better results with minimal manual cleanup needed. It's the tool that actually understands your tables. If this guide helped you rescue your table data, please give the video a thumbs up. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching.